Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching TechMade Be Unique, and today we're going to see a super Windows launcher, and the launcher name is called as Windows X launcher, and which will be represent your Android as a Windows launcher, look like your Android mobile phone look like a Windows launcher by using this particular launcher. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So download the Win X launcher from the Play Store. It's one of the Windows launcher. So you have a first preview of this launcher with a start menu like this, and if you have apps on this side, you have a pinned apps on the other side. Here you have a setting option, and the same as like a notification or like all the tools like Bluetooth and hotspot, and also the calendar and the charging percentage, everything. So you can just search the apps if you just need it, and also you can have the long press on the screen, so you have option to personalization. So here you have customized the theme like wallpapers, like system wallpapers directly from the any website, or you can just change it. And also you have a long press it, you have a option to add the widgets, add shortcut, and in customization tab you have a lot of customization option. If you just need it, you can just choose it and you can just use it. And also you have a option here to like click on this file, this PC. You have the PC folder like this. You can see it's look like the local C. We are just using like a computer themed launcher, so it's same as like the file manager also opening like that. And I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from TechMade Be Unique. Have a wonderful and beautiful day.